Hi, today I'll show you how to personalize the display behind the steering wheel in the Suzuki Across. Thanks to this video, you'll learn how to turn off annoying beeps or alerts. Let's take a look at the display. First, we'll learn how to navigate it. On the left side of the steering wheel, you can find a panel with an OK button and 4 arrow buttons. Use them to navigate through the display. First, we need to enter the options menu. If you don't see settings on the screen, press and hold the OK button. Then slowly scroll up or down the list until you can finally see the settings option. Now you can change your settings right here at any time. The display brightness. Next, we will focus on minimizing alerts from the safety systems. First, we have LTA. You can change the sensitivity in the alert option. To enable only steering wheel vibration, press the OK button. Next, let's go to the pre-collision system. You can also change the sensitivity of this system. Next, we can turn off the parking sensors, the rear cross traffic alert system, the parking support brake, and the road sign assistant. All of these advanced safety options will provide audible beeps in various ways while you are driving on the road. Next, let's go into vehicle settings. And right here, you can easily customize the settings for the tire pressure warning system, or if you prefer, you can disable the rear seat reminder feature entirely. Finally, let's go into meter settings. In meter settings, we can change the meter type. These are already options, purely for personalization. And meter style. We can turn off the EV indicator, eco guidance, and you can also adjust the configuration options. Power consumption, drive info items, trip A and trip B items. And most importantly, we can turn off the annoying pop-ups, namely the navigation pop-up, telephone pop-up, audio operation, volume operation, and voice control. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, a sub, and a comment.